I'm pleased to interview again Michela Martini, CEO of the Italian company Martini at Gulfood Manufacturing. Hi Michela, again at Gulfood Manufacturing.
Hi Sonia, how are you?
Fine.
Again this year at Gulfood. We are here to participate again at this exhibition here in Dubai. And we started to present our company, I think, 5 years ago, and we are still here because the fair is always fantastic in terms of results of the orders, I can say, and also the possibility to receive many people from all over the world.
Absolutely agree. What's new in your market?
Martini is receiving a lot of confirmation from the pasta sector. A very big purchase has been acquired recently for the Nigeria market. Listen, Sonia, 9 lines of 6 tons per hour. It means 54 tons per hour global, so a huge amount of pasta. This order will turn a new page for the history of production of the pasta in the world, and we are very, very satisfied from these very nice orders.
It is an enormous project.
Yes, a huge amount of pasta, believe me.
My congratulations, Michela.
It will be a challenge to fulfill the contract, but we have good machines to satisfy the capacity of the production.
So, Michela, there is any developments underway for Martini?
We believe in the after-sales service, and we are developing the office in terms of people, in terms of research, and we believe that the customer must be kept for their needs. So we are really focused in give to the customer the possibility to be guided from the factory through the cutting-edge technological tools. So we are doing our best to develop these points.
Any prospect for the future?
It will be a challenge again, but we need space to increase our turnover. And we surely in the 2025 will double the production department. I hope that we can serve the market in the better way.
The last question, Michela, how is this first day at Gulfood Manufacturing for you?
First day, but always with a lot of people coming all over the world, and we are very satisfied also in these parts of the day. So we count that these 3 days will be always with satisfaction.
Great. So I thank you, Michela Martini, thank you to Martini, and have a great Gulfood Manufacturing.
Bye-bye.